Hi, and welcome to ReturnGO. Today we're going to go over the Switch to Exchange feature. The Switch to Exchange feature is designed to help you reduce the number of refunds that you issue to customers by offering customers who request a refund a bonus if they exchange their product instead. This helps you retain the revenue instead of refunding it, and possibly even generate new revenue if the customer exchanges for a more expensive product. Also, this can increase customer loyalty, since customers are more likely to come back and shop again later to redeem their remaining bonus credits. So this is what Switch to Exchange looks like in the return portal. A customer selects an item and selects to return it for a refund, and then if they select a return reason that's eligible for Switch to Exchange, they'll see the screen offering them a bonus for switching their refund to an exchange instead. You can set which return reasons are eligible, and you can choose whether to offer a product exchange or variant exchange during this screen. So the customer can see here what the maximum bonus is that they can get, and they can choose for each item if they want to switch it to an exchange and get a bonus or keep it as a refund. Let's say they chose to exchange this item and keep this one as a refund. For the item that they chose to switch to an exchange, I can now select the item that I want to exchange it for, using the bonus as part of the exchange if need be. Any bonus credit that's left over after the exchange will be sent to the customer as a store credit or a gift card. You can set that however you prefer. In the summary screen, the customer can see how much bonus they get, and then once the RMA is approved, they'll get an email with the details for redeeming that credit or gift card. Now let's take a look at the backend, where you can see that Switch to Exchange worked and that the customer chose to switch to an exchange. So in the Manage Returns page, if you click on an RMA to view its details, you'll see this indication if Switch to Exchange was used. If you hover over the icon, you can see the details of the bonus. And in the balance column, you can see how much of the bonus was used up during the exchange. Now let's take a look at how to set up Switch to Exchange and configure all of the settings. First of all, of course, make sure the feature is included in your plan or add it to your account separately. Then, to enable Switch to Exchange, go to Settings, Store Settings, and under Refund Prevention, you have this toggle for Encourage customers to switch refunds to exchanges. Turn that on, and then you can define how it will work. Choose the type of virtual currency you want the bonus to be in, so store credit or a new gift card. Then set how the incentive amount is calculated, either a fixed amount or a percentage, and define the amount given per item. Of course, make sure to save your settings by clicking on the Save icon. Then, since eligibility for Switch to Exchange goes based on return reasons, you need to go to your return reason settings to set which return reasons are eligible. So click on Settings, Return Reasons, or just click on this little link here. Now here you can see that the reasons that are already eligible for Switch to Exchange have this icon next to them, so you can see which ones you've already set. So click on the return reason that you want to make eligible, and here you can enable Switch to Exchange for this return reason and set which types of exchange you want to offer during Switch to Exchange on this return reason. Make sure to save your changes, and then do this for all the return reasons that you want to be eligible. ReturnGO also has built-in fraud prevention measures to make sure that your customers can't take advantage of these offers unfairly. So, for example, Switch to Exchange can only be used once per RMA. The screen will appear only once per session, so if the customer goes back to a previous screen or leaves the portal, they won't get that offer again. And the Switch to Exchange screen includes only items that were initially selected for a refund on the item selection screen. And that's it! Use Switch to Exchange to reduce refunds and keep more revenue in your store by incentivizing customers to choose exchanges instead of refunds. Thanks for watching!